Welcome to our channel. Think age is just a number. We'll think again as men grow older. There's a whole new level of charm, sophistication, and magnetism waiting to be unlocked. But here's the secret: not everyone knows how to tap into it. If you've ever wondered what makes some older men effortlessly captivating while others struggle tossed and out, you're in the right place today. I'm diving deep into the 6 powerful habits that don't just make older men attractive, they make them absolutely irresistible. From owning your silver streaks to mastering timeless style and radiating confidence, these are game-changing secrets that can elevate your appeal to a whole new level. Ready to discover how to turn heads and steal hearts without breaking a sweat? Let's get started. 1. Owning your silver fox status. Let's face it, gray hair isn't just about aging. It's about embracing a chapter of life that's filled with wisdom and experience. A man with salt and pepper hair who wears it with pride exudes a sense of confidence that's hard to resist. It's not just about the look, it is the story it tells. Those silver streaks say, I've been through challenges, learned lesson number 1, life's lessons, and come out stronger. That's the kind of energy that women find magnetic. Instead of hiding behind hair dye or feeling insecure, embracing your natural gray can set you apart. Think of Hollywood legends like George Clooney or Richard Gere. They've turned their silver locks into a signature style. What makes it work isn't it the hair itself, but the attitude of being. That confidence is the ultimate accessory, and it shines brightest when you own who you are. The silver fox look is more than just about hair. It's a mindset paired with a confident smile, good posture, and a touch of self-assured charm. And you'll have a recipe for instant appeal. So gentlemen, stop worrying about aging and start embracing the grace and elegance that come with it. After all or nothing is more attractive than a man who's comfortable in his own skin to mastering timeless style. Fashion train come and go, but timeless style is for a well-dressed man who understands the power of classic tailored clothing. Commands attention wherever he goes. Older men have the advantage here. Experience teaches the importance of investing in quality piece that never go out of style. Think of booth staples: a crisp white shirt, perfectly fitted jeans, a tailored blazer, and polished leather shoes. These essentials exude sophistication and maturity. But timeless style isn't just about the clothes. It's about how you wear them. A confident gait, an eye for detail, and clean grooming can elevate even the simplest outfit into something extraordinary. Accessories also play a key role. A good watch, a leather belt, or a pair of sleek glasses can add a touch of personality and refinement to your look. Don't forget about grooming. Regular haircuts, a well-maintained beard if y'all have one, and clean nails show that you pay attention to yourself, which women find incredibly appealing. The beauty of timeless styles, its simplicity. It's not about chasing trends or looking flashy, it's about embodying elegance and self-awareness when your clothing reflects your personality and confidence. Lesson number 2. You create an aura of sophistication that women can't ignore. 3. Embodying true manly chivalry might seem outdated in today's fast-paced world, but it's far from dead. In fact, gentlemanly behavior is more attractive than ever. Holding doors, offering your jacket on a chill evening, and even just standing when a lady enters the room are small gestures that speak volumes about your character. What sets a true gentleman apart is his ability to make those around him feel valued and respected. This goes beyond romantic gestures. It's about listening attentively remembering little details, and showing genuine kindness, a man who treats everyone with same level of respect, from few address at the coffee shop to his closest friends, creates an aura of warmth and reliability, being a gentleman also involves self-awareness and emotional intelligence in a world where ghosting and superficial interactions are all too common. A man who communicates honestly and treats others with sincerity is a rare find. Women appreciate someone who can balance strength with vulnerability and assertiveness with compassion. When you embrace these qualities, you're not just standing out, you are setting a standard, and trust anything is more attractive than a man who makes a woman feel like she's stepped into her own romantic movie. For following your passions, there's something incredibly attractive about a man who's driven by passion, whether it's a hobby, a career, or a personal goal. Pursuing what you love with enthusiasm and focus creates an irresistible energy. Passion shows vitality. It's proof that you are actively engaged with life and not just coasting through it. When you talk about something you love, your excitement is contagious. Your eyes light up, your voice gains conviction, and you draw others into your world. This enthusiasm is magnetic because it reveals a deeper part of who you are. Women are naturally drawn to men who have a clear sense of purpose and aren't afraid to chase after it. Passion isn't just about big goals, it's also about the smaller joys, whether it's perfecting your golf swing, experimenting in the kitchen, or volunteering for a cause. Your dedication speaks volumes about your character. It shows that you're a disciplined, focused, and capable of achieving what you set your mind to. The best part, passion is ageless. It's not about how old you are, but about how much life you bring to your years. So don't hold back, dive into what excites you, and let that energy radiate. It's one of the most attractive qualities you can possess. 5. Embracing emotional maturity. There's an undeniable allure to a man who has his life together. Emotional maturity isn't about being perfect, it's about being self-aware, responsible, and grounded. It's about knowing who you are, understanding your values, and living with intention. Amateur man is steady in the face of challenges. He doesn't react impulsively, but takes the time to reflect and respond thoughtfully. This level of composure creates a sense of safety and stability that women deeply appreciate. It's not just about handling your own emotions, but also about being a supportive actor who listens, empathizes, and communicates. Maturity also means being lesson number 3, confident enough to admit your mistakes and learn from them. It's about letting go of ego and embracing personal growth. This openness and willingness to evolve show that you're ready for meaningful, lasting connections. When you embrace emotional maturity, you set yourself apart from those who are still figuring things out. It's a powerful signal that you're not to play games, you're here to build something real. And that's exactly what women are looking for. 6. Balancing confidence and humility. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a man can have, but it's even more healing when paired with humility. True confidence isn't about being loud or dominating the spotlight. It's about carrying yourself with ease and assurance. A confident man walks into a room and owns it, not by demanding attention, but by exuding a quiet strength. He speaks with conviction, but listens with genuine interest. This balance shows that you know your worth, but also value others. Humility is the key to making confidence appealing. It's about being self-assured without being arrogant, sharing your accomplishments without bragging, And treating everyone with respect, women are drawn to men who can lift others up. While standing tall themselves, confidence combined with humility creates a magnetic presence. It shows that you're not only secure in who you are, but also kind and approachable. And when you strike this balance, you'll find that people naturally gravitate toward. Yawaging isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace. These 6 habits can help you tap into the confidence, efficiency, and charisma that come with experience, whether it's only your silver fox status, dressing with timeless style, or pursuing your passions. These qualities make you stand out in the best possible way, so gentlemen, take these tips to heart and show the world that age is nothing but an advantage. Until next time, stay confident, stay classy, and keep turning heads.